Hi, my name is Matthew Kelm. I'm going to be presenting our research project that we did on the effects of summer programs on social skills going into the next academic school year. Abstract, or where we started, just a brief overview here, is there's been prior research that's shown that there can be a positive effect on the social skills of youth after attending summer programs. The researchers of the current study, that'd be us, examined whether the social skills of attendees of a summer program improved, stayed the same, or worsened. Attendees of the summer program we surveyed were giving a survey asking background questions and questions about their self-reported social skills both before and after attending the local summer program that we surveyed. Kind of a brief introduction of summer programs in general, and the research has shown that the summer break has negative effect both on social skills and the academic level of children. By the end of the summer, students perform on average a month behind where they left off in the spring. Social skills can suffer as well during summer break just because kids are generally not socializing nearly as much as they would when they're with other kids all day long every day. There's lots of studies that have shown that attending a summer program can lessen these effects and improve them. There are many studies that have shown positive social effects of attending a summer program. And these summer programs, they don't have to solely be based on academics. They can be religious or sports or Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, any of that. Basically anything that gets kids out with other kids in a positive setting that's kind of controlled. Summer programs, they are intended to increase the self-concept and character of youth, and that actually increases resiliency as well. The hypothesis we started out with was attending a summer program would have a positive effect on social skills of the youth that chose to participate. Our project design, to make this work, we did two surveys. The first as a baseline before the kids attended the program. The second was approximately 2 weeks later. This varied a little bit, but not much, so everyone was in for at least 2 weeks. There were 13 questions consisting of demographics, background questions, and questions related to their social skills and how they would rate themselves both before and after attending the summer program. The method we used, the participants, they were asked to fill out both before and after survey of the summer program they were attending. We had 30 participants, 16 female and 14 male, so that was pretty even. The survey was administered by a staff member of the summer program to a very diverse set of children from different ages, different backgrounds. Questions were worded in the survey, so a response of 1 was strongly agree and 5 was strongly disagree. In the case of our survey, a lower score actually showed an improvement. I think that's important to note because it can be kind of confusing. Well, the results we ended up with, the mean social skill score, which is the combination of the social skills questions on the survey before attending the summer program, was 15.9, and after attending, the mean of their social skills score was 13.5, and that shows a significant improvement in social skills. I don't know if you can see the graph here, but it did show pretty specifically that they did improve. Some limiting factors that we ran into, we only had time to survey one summer program. We planned on doing another one, but we couldn't get permission. So the one that we did do it had a good set of people, but surveying different programs would be ideal because everyone's not created equally. A small sample size, only 30 kids were surveyed, which is a good number. I mean, I think it's a good start, but a larger sample size would make more significant results and make us a little more confident in the results. A limiting factor that I'm not sure if it was or not, but it could be, the staff administered the survey, so there's a potential that this could have changed the results by influencing the honesty of the answers if the kids knew the staff was going to see the results and they weren't required. It wasn't in a private setting, so they weren't anonymous. So the honesty of the answers may not have been 100%. Summary, the participants did show an increase in their social skills after 2 weeks or more of participation in the summer program. This shows that summer programs are a benefit to the youth that participate. The participants showed an average of a 15.1% increase in their self-reported social skills, which, I mean, it's pretty significant. From just attending a couple weeks of a summer program during the summer, they improved that much. Got some references where we got some of the information that I just read off, and thanks for listening.